Good morning to all. I am Jaya Laxmi Hotta. Today our laptop topic is Diode Alternating Current. In this topic, contents are introduction, symbol, construction, working, VI characteristics, advantages and disadvantages, and applications. DIAC. The DIAC is a bidirectional semiconductor device that can be switched from off state to on state in both the directions. The DIAC belongs to thyristor family. Then symbol of diode. Here two diodes connected in parallel and opposite one to another. The diode is two terminal. The name of terminal are MT1 and MT2. Here MT means main terminal. Then construction of diode. The diode does not have any base terminal. In diode, 5 layers are there, P1, P2 and N1, N2, N3. The layer closest to the terminal are the combination of both positive and negative layers. Then working principle. The DIAC is working in a two operation. First operation MT1 is more positive than to MT2. Second operation MT2 is more positive than to MT1. Then the DIAC mode operation. Here the construction of DIAC where MT1 is more positive to MT2. That time the N layer will be not activated because of negative layer. That time MT1 to P1 some leakage current will be formed. It acts as a forward bias condition. Then N2 layer is not activated. That time we increase the voltage. So your breakover voltage is required. That time the current will be flow N2 to P2 in a reverse bias. And P2 to N3 current will be flow in forward bias. That time the current path will be P1 to N3. This is a second mode operation when MT2 is more positive to MT1. This mode operation similar to first operation, but difference is the current path will be opposite direction. Then the VI characteristics of diode. In blocking state for positive half cycle, some leakage current will be flowed and breakover voltage is required and the current will be increases. In third current, some leakage current will be flowed and here the breakover voltage is required and that time the current will be increases.
Of a timer circuit. As in our previous lessons, I showed the current directions according to the conventional current direction. Here you see a timer circuit consisting of triac, diac, nonpolar capacitor, and lamp. There is also an AC source. In this circuit, during the positive half cycle of AC sine wave, the current allows the capacitor to charge by following the path I have shown with the arrows. I want you to pay attention to the positive and negative polarity values on the capacitor pins. When the capacitor voltage reaches the breaking voltage level of the diac, for example, 30 volts, the diac starts to flow current and triggers the triac from the gate pin. When the triac is triggered, current starts to flow through the lamp and the lamp lights up. Then the lamp goes out again at the 0 point of the alternating current. When switching to the negative half cycle of the AC sine wave, the current again follows the path I have shown with the arrows, allowing the capacitor to charge. When the breakdown voltage level is reached again, the diac starts to pass current and the triac is triggered. Thus, the current passes through the lamp and the lamp gives light. Thus, after a certain breaking voltage level, diac turns on and offers bidirectional switching. Here we have seen that the diac passes bidirectional current. It is generally used with capacitors as here. In addition, the capacitor used here should be a non-polarity capacitor in particular. Because there is AC here, the capacitor must be used in both directions. In this example circuit, I didn't give the values of the circuit elements. If you want to try the circuit, you need to choose it by looking at the datasheet information of the circuit elements according to the magnitude of the AC voltage you use. The working principle of DIAC, which is one of the power electronic circuit elements used in AC timer dimmer and motor speed control circuits, generally together with TRIAC, is like this.
Then advantages of DIAC. It is used for switching purpose. It can easily increase or decrease the voltage. It will be operate smoothly. Disadvantages of DIAC. It will be only conduct when they increase the voltage above 30. Then application of DIAC mainly used in switching purpose lamp dimmer circuit. Thank you.